Hi guys, I'm going to show you a fun project I've been wanting to do for a while now, and it has to do with these Melissa and Doug reusable sticker pads. I both love and hate these. I love them because they're so cute, and I love that the stickers are reusable and so fun for the kids, but I hate that the pages fall out and then we end up having to throw it away because the stickers get lost and the pages get lost. So I want to make it into a little spiral bound booklet to put in the diaper bag. And I hope it works out. And if it does, you're gonna see what it looks like in the next. First, I took all these pages and I cut them into normal letter size pages because I feel like these pages are a little bit cumbersome for the diaper bag and taken to church or the dentist or wherever you're gonna take it. We took these on the plane and they were still a little bit too big for the plane. So cut it into a paper size. I'm gonna run to my copy store really quick and just get it spiral bound around along the top. It's like $1 or $2. Also, I did extra pages that are blank in the back just for holding stickers, which is a good idea because a lot of the pages have more stickers than you need, so you can store them in the back of the book. I'm so excited. Now it is much smaller and will fit in the diaper bag and the pages and stickers won't get lost. You so excited? What does the dinosaur say?
Wow.